Road conditions are certainly a lot better than yesterday, but commuters aren't completely out of the woods yet. Main roads we saw around western Massachusetts this morning were relatively clear, but there was still some snow and ice pileup on back roads in some communities. PVTA services were back up and running after they were canceled due to the blizzard yesterday. Governor Maura Healey lifted the state of emergency for Berkshire, Hampden, Hampshire, and Franklin counties. She also announced truck travel restrictions have been lifted across all state highways north of and including I-93 and I-95. Now at noon today, some more information came out about those restrictions being lifted down south in the state as well as the roads continue to clear up. Now this commuter from Munson hopes drivers are careful even though a lot of snow is out of the road.
The roads get narrower with the more snow we have, and people really need to be cognizant of that. Especially in Munson, roads are windy and they're narrow to begin with, and you need to slow down and you need to get over as far as you can on your side.
Cleanup from yesterday's snowfall continues around the state, especially out east, as I was saying. To hear from someone who was heading towards the multiple feet of snow that are in the South Shore this morning, tune into 22 News later this evening. Working for you, Nick Antonakis, 22 News.